Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many Java developers face when working with TextFlow and lines. The problem we're tackling involves creating a vertical line that appears to be smooth and ends up looking thicker than intended when added to TextFlow. It's a frustrating issue, but fear not. We have a neat solution to share with you. In the solution provided, we focus on achieving a crisp line by rounding the endpoint coordinates and adjusting them by half the stroke width. By modifying the coordinates in this way, we ensure that the line appears sharp and covers only the pixels it traverses. The key snippet of code that helps us achieve this involves rounding the minimum x-coordinate of the text element and adjusting it by 0.5 to set the starting and ending positions of the line correctly. Building on that, we extend the solution by incorporating the code for creating TextFlow elements with a crisp vertical line. By applying the same rounding and adjustment principles to the line's start and end points, we ensure that the line maintains a consistent width of 1 pixel and aligns perfectly with the text elements. This attention to detail guarantees a clean and precise visual representation of the vertical line within the TextFlow layout. To wrap it all up, we've covered the intricacies of working with TextFlow and lines in Java to achieve a sharp and well-defined vertical line effect. We hope you found this solution helpful and informative for your Java development projects. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!